What's up guys, iTech everything here. I've been using the iPad Air 4 for a couple of months now, and something that I'd been missing on with the Apple Pencil plus iPad experience was digital art. In my eyes, Procreate has been the default for digital art. I saw Rishi Draws make a lot of videos on Procreate and I was impressed with how the artworks turned out. But Procreate is paid and it costs 899 rupees in India. Even though I can just go and pay for it right now, not everyone can or not everyone wants to. And I would rather spend that money on something else or some other app because digital art is something I only want to do for fun, and that too for only a few times. So the first thing I did was to try Procreate so that I can know and get familiar with it before I make the decision of if I really want to pay for it or use some other app or find some other alternative. I also made this artwork using Procreate while I was trying it. Now I won't really mention how I got it for free just to try it, as I do not want you to do so and I do not want to promote piracy. Instead, I will show you this strikingly similar app which happens to be free of cost. It's called iArtBook. You can follow Procreate tutorials on this app like I did, as the UI is also similar. The functions are pretty much the same too, but with a few missing features. Although the downside for the free version of this app is that it has a few ads in it, but they only show up when you close an artwork after a while, so it's not something that bothers me. If you want to get rid of the ads, the pro version is available for $449. But we are going to focus on the free version in this video. So to download this app, it's pretty much as you would download every other app. Go to the App Store and search for iArtBook and download the free version. You're pretty much ready to go. Make sure you play with the settings so that the app works fine with the Apple Pencil. I totally love this app because I can make cool looking artworks for free without paying anything. I'm not really going to show you how this app exactly works, but here are a few artworks I made using this app. I think I'm going to leave the rest to you and you can explore the rest of the app yourself. I'll be trying to improve my art on iArtBook first, and I might buy Procreate later on if I find that my artworks actually turn out good enough. Also, if you find the ads annoying at first, don't worry, you'll get used to them very soon. They only appear when you close an artwork, so I don't think that's an issue. Also, a video on how you can use an ad blocker on your iPhone or iPad is coming very soon, so stay tuned. That is pretty much it for this quick video. Thank you for watching. I will catch you all in the next one. Until then, peace.